Nice one. So basically, if you are watching me right now live, this is live. This is a very live video. This is not like pre-record video. I'm gonna give you a recipe before you go to your bed tonight. Get some organic apple cider vinegar. Alright, you have to measure it out. You have to, this one recommended measurement. This one, I can't use my eye measurement on this one. You have to measure this one. Alright guys, so look at this now. Look at this. Alright, tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Alright, I'm using a tablespoon. Alright, this time I'm measuring it out to show you. Because sometimes I do eye measurement. Alright, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then we need some black pepper. Alright, this is some good black pepper. This is the original one. Black pepper, very, very good for you. You need this one. And I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Inside of it. Alright. Turmeric, very good for you. Turmeric is one of the most powerful ingredients on the earth, next to ginger and lemon and garlic. This one, turmeric, is one of the most powerful. If you doesn't understand what does this mean, please Google it. Write down Google and write down turmeric. Alright, Turmeric. Write it down and do a Google research. It's one of the most powerful things on the planet, next to ginger, garlic, and lemon. This one is the second one. Now you need a teaspoon. Right here, I'm using a teaspoon. Okay. And then secondly, hopefully I have, if I don't have something wrong then, I must have. Sometimes I don't have any now. But hopefully I have. Yeah, I have. It's better for you to use organic honey, because it's much better. Susan, this is a recipe for you to try at home. You know what I mean? Keep your body healthy. Big up you from all the way in Atlantic, Georgia. Alright. Mitchie, thank you so much. Guys, when you're a member of my YouTube channel, I'm able to see you much better. I don't know why YouTube is doing that now. When you're a member and you're doing live, because YouTube changed it around. When you're a member of the YouTube channel and we're doing live, we can see you much better. So you need to join the membership. Alright. Now, get some honey. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of honey inside of it. Alright. So, join the membership and I can be able to see you. When you're not a member, I can't see you. Alright, now, what you want to do? Give this a mix. Alright. May give you a little bit. Oh, I don't want my tea to get cold. Alright. This one which I just made. Here it is. This one. Alright, you see this? You can keep it into your fridge for 2 weeks. Okay? Keep this in your fridge for 2 weeks. And what you do, before you go to bed at night time, you take 1 tablespoon at night and 1 in the morning. Here it is. This is mine which I made yesterday. Alright, here it is. Alright. This one right here. So what you want to do, you see, I'm going to tell somebody tonight this. In all of my life are unhurt until this very minute I'm talking to you. All of my life, since the day my mother born me and I come on hurt, and I've been in this kitchen right now talk to you. When I get the recipe of this, I make it and I try it. And when I try it, I never slept like this in my whole entire life. I slept like a baby, I thought I was in heaven. That's the way I feel. This tea right here where I just made. If you take 1 tablespoon of this before you go to your bed, and 1 in the morning, trust me, for 2 weeks, I don't want to take no. I'm gonna say you have to try. Mitchie, good morning. Mitchie, I want you to try this one. See you online. I want you to try this, Mitchie. Mitchie, this recipe here, I know you like your healthy stuff. I want you to try this one. Black pepper. Please write it down. You got black pepper, apple cider vinegar, turmeric, and honey. Make a big portion of it and put it into your fridge. And take it before you go to your bed. Give your husband a tablespoon and you take 1 before you go to your bed. Guys, when I do these things, since I start to eat healthy, guys, and tell me what happened. My skin look different. My hair start grow different. Everything start look different for me right now since I start to eat healthy. I cut down on meat. I cut down on a lot of stuff. Cut down on bread. You see, bread is not good for you neither, you know. Trust me. You eat a whole wheat bread or whatever kind of bread. Trust me. Since I start, I'm gonna say, guys, since I start to eat different, since I changed my diet over the last few months, I'm telling you this, everything in my body is function. When I was running this evening about 9 o'clock, I went for a run on the seaside. I was like running like I have so much energy in me, like my energy can't finish. But I'm gonna say something to you tonight. You see, when you eat natural stuff, when you eat natural things, and nothing wrong if you want to eat some meat and some rice and some bread, but if you can balance it, guys, with some natural stuff, trust me, it works. All right, I'm gonna say try this one at home tonight. All right, I'm gonna pour this in it, and this one right here, I'm gonna be doing this one for 2 weeks right here. So this morning I take 1 tablespoon, a large tablespoon before you go to your bed, and I do 1 in the morning. All right, so right here you got turmeric. Write it down, turmeric. Let me make sure you guys can get it. You get this 1 teaspoon of turmeric. All right, you can get this, you can get the fresh one, but get the powder one, because the powder one is much better for use when you're gonna do this kind of drink. But if you can get the organic one, it's much better. Get this turmeric. All right, a lot of people doesn't know that. You see, turmeric and black pepper works really well. All right, guys, turmeric and black pepper works really good. Get some black pepper, 1 teaspoon. All right, and get yourself some apple cider vinegar. 1 large tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can put about 2. You can make a big portion for yourself. It's fine. And this, some organic honey, and you mix everything together. And then you take a tablespoon of it before you go to bed. You say all of them chicken and something what you do, as you don't take this, you're gonna go to the toilet, and then you're gonna have a good night's sleep. Trust me. All right. Next thing I want to say to a lot of people, we all know I'm not a doctor and I'm not a nurse, but I do a lot of research. All right. Water. I will encourage every one of you guys to drink at least 2 or 3 cups of water a night before you go to your bed. You know why? That can prevent you from having strokes and a lot more stuff. Please do your research though to make sure. My research what I get, it is good for you to drink at least 2 glasses of water before you go to your bed at night. It may, to be honest with you, it may make you want to go to toilet during the night, but to be honest with you, it is better for you, to go to the toilet more than have strokes. Strokes time is in the morning to 12 o'clock. All right, guys, anybody can have strokes. Me can have strokes, you can have strokes. So I'm just simply sharing some ideas on my research, and I'm gonna say to someone, grab yourself a bottle of water every night and drink this before you go to your bed. So basically, it helps to loose up your lungs. That means you can get refreshing more. All right. Now, I'm gonna say to someone tonight. Now, don't matter who you are, you could have money till the sky coming from heaven. You have to look after yourself, because no one not gonna do that. Not even your husband, not even your wife. You yourself have to look after yourself. Okay, so what you want to say to someone tonight? You might hear Chef Ricardo talking, the video is going over too long, but I want to encourage someone. In the night, you may want to get up and want to go to the toilet, go wee. It's better for you to wee more than you have a strokes. All right, so basically I want to say to someone tonight, start drink a lot of water before you go to your bed. Okay, drink a lot of water before you go to your bed. And you can also drink a nice lovely cup of natural tea also. All right, yeah, that's my last tips from Chef Ricardo tonight to you guys. I just want to take the time to say thank you every one of you guys for watching the show tonight. Remember to check out the Caribbean Fusion sauce and spice. All right, lemon flight, that's what I've been using tonight. And I'm just gonna simply say to you, remember to take yourself some water. Here's the thing, big up yourself. Drink some water before you go to your bed tonight. If you go to your bed 5 o'clock in the morning, try and drink some water. If you go to bed 12 o'clock, try and drink some water, because water can help prevent you from having cancer. Not cancer, having strokes and all these things and a lot more stuff, guys. Helping your lungs for you to breathe more better. All right, pack up yourself, your house with a lot of water and drink a lot of water. This one, all right, this is it right here. This is I'm telling you guys, I love this so much. This is amazing. As I don't drink my tea, I'm going to take a tablespoon, some water, and you know what I mean, then bedtime. That's my tea. You see, I'm drinking it. All right, guys, if you don't understand what Chef Ricardo is saying, please do some Google research. Okay, go to Google and type in right banana tea. All right, yeah, if you have Alexa, you can ask Alexa. Sometimes Alexa not understand certain things, because I asked Alexa, do you understand Jamaican patois? Alexa said, I don't understand that one. So I couldn't understand. But anyway, you can Google it. All right, but as I said, guys, yeah, the right banana tea, I would encourage you guys to give it a try at home if you want to get a good night's sleep. And there's a lot more stuff to the right banana tea, but you have to go down into the deep research of it. All right, secondly, you can also do this one at home. Very, very good for you. All right, so yeah, this one is amazing right here. Okay, now as you can see, guys, this is fantastic. Please follow me, Chef Ricardo, on my IG cooking, Chef Ricardo. All right, we got a lot of stuff over there. That one gonna go off. All right, guys. Yeah, I asked Alexa if he understand Jamaican patois. Alexa said, and I understand that one. So I have to laugh. I got that video on my TikTok. Guys, I did a video on TikTok. All right, just 1 day ago. 1.3 million view. Check it out over there. All right, on TikTok. 1.3 million view. That was amazing. All right. So anyway, guys, please support Chef Ricardo. And you know what I mean? Yeah, thank you so much for your time tonight. And if you miss anything, trust me, you can rewatch the video. All right. Yeah, man. So go over there and you can look for Chef Ricardo cooking. All right, so that's how I go. But I encourage you guys, even this one, try and drink some water before you go to bed tonight and all these things. Trust me, I drink so much water, guys. It's very good for you. Now it's time for me to cut the video. You guys have a lovely evening. And as I say, I'm not gonna be keeping the video no longer, because a lot of people keep cussing me, so I'm keeping my video them too long. Big up on yourself, whole heap of respect. Oh, yummy cooking. You need to join my membership, man, and get some more support from Chef Ricardo. Susan, you need to join my YouTube channel membership. Please do that. Emergency.